Hi, this is Dr. JMR. Today we are going to learn about permanent hot water. What is permanent hot water? It is due to presence of sulfates, chlorides, carbonates of calcium and magnesium salts. So here this is not useful for washing clothes. Then we have to remove these salts from that water and it will become water soft. How we are going to remove these salts from a sample of our permanent hot water? Then first method, by the addition of washing soda. Number 1, by the addition of first method is by the addition of washing soda. How we are going to remove? Suppose calcium and magnesium chlorides are present. For example, calcium chloride and you take magnesium chloride. So here by the addition of washing soda to calcium chloride or magnesium chloride, so to form the respective chlorides, you take sodium chloride plus calcium carbonate and it is settled down at the bottom of the container. It can be removed. It can be removed from that water and finally that hard water will become soft. This is one of the method. You take suppose magnesium chloride is present. By the addition of washing soda, it is converted into water to form NaCl plus magnesium carbonate. So it can be water separated magnesium chloride, magnesium carbonate, and finally that water will become what? Soft. I will give you another example. Suppose here if bicarbonates are present, bicarbonates means if soft means if temporary hot water is also removed by this method by the addition of caustic soda. By the addition of caustic soda, it is converted into calcium carbonate plus sodium. So here what happened? To form this calcium carbonate is removed and here it will become water to form calcium carbonate and what you call water. So like this calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate and to become water, 2 moles of water. So like this it can be removed. This washing soda, by the addition of washing soda, these chlorides are converted into the respective carbonates and it is eliminated, it is removed. So this is one of the method that by the addition of washing soda. Then here next one, here was a permuted process. How to remove this hard water means next method is second method for the removal of hardness of water, that is when artificial zeolite is added to hard water, it reacts with calcium and magnesium salts to form calcium zeolite. That is nothing but, suppose if sulfates are present, suppose calcium sulfate is present in that substance, calcium sulfate react with zeolite. Suppose you take Na2, this is called sodium, means what is the chemical formula? Na2, Al2, Si2, O8 dot XH2O. instead of writing this one, I would like to write like this. Z is equals to. Instead of writing this total formula, I am writing Z. Why? That sodium salts are replaced by calcium. So anyway, so like this, zeolite formula is Na2, Al2, Si2, O8 dot XH2O. That is zeolite. If sulfates as ions are present in that substance, it reacts to form calcium zeolite. Calcium zeolite. PPT is formed. Means it can be eliminated. It can be removed. And here finally you will get a sodium sulfate. So it can be removed. So finally what happened? That water will become pure. So next one, how to reconvert? Suppose you take calcium zeolite. How you are going to again, by the addition of sodium chloride, again here what happened? Sodium zeolite, Na2Z, means like that, Na2Z is formed, and finally what happened? Calcium chloride is formed. Means it is called what? A reconversion. How this what you call addition? This product is eliminated, removed. This process is very cheap for the removal of permanent as well as temporary hardness of water. This is very, very important. Next method, that is last method, third method, Colgan's method. Last method, that is Colgan's method. When Colgan is added to hot water, Colgan reacts with calcium and magnesium salts to form a complex salt. To form a complex salt. When Colgan is added to hot water, Colgan reacts with calcium and magnesium salts and to form a complex salt. So here what happened? That hardness will become water soft by separating insoluble complex salt. So here by the addition of sodium hexaphosphate, so here this is replaced by calcium ions. A complex salt is formed. It can be removed. And finally what happened? That hard water will become soft water. Like this here what happened? So hard water, these are the process for the removal of water, hardness of water. Number one, by the addition of sodium chloride, sodium carbonate, that is nothing but washing soda. Second process is permuted process. Third one is Colgan method. These three are very, very, very and very important. So here ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చిందంటే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇంకా మీకు వీడియోస్ కావాలంటే ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్లీ I would like to try to upload videos. Thank you. This is Dr. JMR.